about 10 years ago, somebody would have told me that Lamborghini was going to make an SUV supercar, I would have thought they stark raving mad. But they did, and it looks fantastic. Although I feel sometimes that when I look at something like an SVJ, I think that the Urus could look a little bit more crazy. If you share that opinion, then the Novitec Urus Esteso kit is exactly the right thing for you. And not just is it wider and more aggressive, and the bumper and the side skirts with a whole bunch of carbon fiber bits, especially that complete carbon fiber bonnet, but it also has upgraded power and the sound to match. Let's talk about that while taking it out for a drive. There's just something about driving a Lamborghini Urus. For me, especially when it is the Esteso, when I know it's wider and it's more aggressive, but not just that, it's also the engine. It really is a gem, that 4-litre twin turbocharged V8 up front, and of course with Novitec having worked on the power output, now churning out freaking 782 horsepower, something silly like that. It's just tremendous. And of course, it has an exhaust note that goes with it. Just before we carry on this little drive up there, I want to take you back to a thought that we at Novitec had round about when the first Urus ever came out. The thought was, why don't we build something that can actually go off-road and be a lot of fun? Something, let me just dub it the off-road Aventador. Or let me rather be terminology correct and say, what about an Urus Sterato? We sort of worked on our off-road design studio as a concept idea. An Urus Sterato. Does it sort of tickle a fancy with you? Does it ring a bell with you? If something in you says, that sounds really interesting, I might just want to have one, let me know down in the comments and we might just make it. So, this is not to review the Urus in its classical form. This is to disturb the neighbors and to show you what it looks like, what it feels like, what it sounds like to drive this absolute beast of a car that's actually freaking fast. It's so fast, it actually shouldn't be this fast for an SUV, but it is. And it is brilliant. We're going to pick a little road there at the back going up the hill in between the vineyards, or what it looks like vineyards, fruit trees, and then we'll step on it because I think it just seems like the right place to be driving an Urus S Esteso. If you are listening to the soundtrack of this car's exhaust and you feel that maybe it's just not quite as loud as you would like it to be, well, don't worry about that, because we have numerous other videos, and Josh will put a link up somewhere that'll show you what a really loud version of an exhaust on our Urus Esteso sounds like. You actually can't believe that this thing will push up this mountain with so much enthusiasm. Well, we got 1,032 Newton meters. It is just ridiculous. You can't actually believe the amount of weight that can shunt at such a speed. It just is fantastic, and I can't let go of this thought of an Urus Sterato, because seriously, flying up here, if that were gravel, oh my word, how incredible would that be? I've driven the Sterato and it was one of the most enjoyable cars I've ever had the privilege of driving, because it's not planted on the road. Because of the tires, it's all over the place. And that is exciting. Nowadays things are getting a little bit exciting when they don't perform, when they don't stand in the queue and try and get the best marks. It's rather when they say, you know what, I feel like writing a different kind of an essay. Oh gosh, this is freaking ridiculous. Can't believe how quick this is. Sack of nuts. And you have so much torque, there's almost not necessary to flick down the gears. It truly is an incredible beast. I've got a question for you. Maybe a couple of years ago it wouldn't have been that relevant, but right now I want your personal opinion. Urus or G63? Serious, Urus or G63? Oh frick, this is so much fun. This is bloody freaking quick. I'm in. Nearly 800 horsepower in a bloody family SUV. That's the great thing. You can flick it into whatever, Strada, and then you just cruise the damn thing home. That's what's so amazing about it. If you're interested in not just individualizing the exterior of your car, then you can also do the interior with us. Thank you so much for joining us in this video, and a huge shout out to Custom Tuning and the guys out there that have welcomed us in Bucharest and really taken such good care of us this week. Thank you so much. These guys are building our Novitec builds down here in Romania, and they are just the kindest, most wonderful people. So huge shout out to them. And for us, if you haven't subscribed and you want to, you know what to do. If you haven't followed us on TikTok or on Instagram, then go check us out on there as well. Novitec Group, me personally at Beyond the Cock. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe and see you later. Ciao.